Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. Today in this tutorial video, we will learn how we can configure a blink property in the WinCC OA. The blink property in the SCADA is very useful feature for alarms, warning, or attention indicator. In SCADA, the blink property is used to make object or symbol flash. That means it's alternate between the visible and invisible or between two color change. It's commonly used to highlight active alarm, fault condition, or critical signal that need greater attention. So here we are showing one of the example, like the pump is tripped. It's showing red color with the indication. So once the trip is normalized, it's showing the normal state and the normal operation of the pump start and stop is showing. So once it's tripped due to fault, it will show the red color with the indication. So let's see how we can configure the blink in the WinCC OA. So we'll use the same project that we already created in the previous tutorial. In the previous tutorial, we just apply the visibility property over this circle. Click here, you can see the visibility property we apply, and once the trip is there, then its just color is changed. But in this tutorial video, along with color, we will also apply the uh, with the visibility, we will also apply the color configuration also. So we will click here on the for the border color change, then we'll select the value dependent, click next, and here uh, we already select the same trip tag, so we'll use the same one. And after that, from here, the once the value is 0, I want the transparent color, and once the value is true, on that time I want to use the blink color. So here is the one of the by default different patterns. For example, this here fast blink, here slow blink. So here different pattern is there. So we can use that pattern. For example, if I will select this, but the problem is this, if I will, for example, if I, okay, I will use the same pattern and we'll see what issue is coming. Okay, click finish and we'll come back here. We'll change the panel. Right now, the our pump is not tripped. Once I turn on the trip, so here you can see now my pump is linking between two colors, red and white. But in my case, I never want red and white blinking. I want transparent blinking, like the once the red color, and then I need instead of white transparent color. So let's see how we can configure it. So for that, I will go back. I will select that my circle and click here, change the color and click next. And I will select this. Here in this time, previously I select the dynamic color, that is by default some color database is there. So in this time, I will select this option and I will select, for example, this red color. After that, I will select it and then I will select this red color, drag and drop it here. And now I want for the my second state, the transparent color. So I will bring it here and now this is my transparent color. And I will select, drag and drop it here. Now if you can see here is giving me the color between transparent color and the red color. Click OK and click over the finish. And now if I will change my screen, so here you can see right now is blinking between the transparent and the colored red color. So if I will turn off my, and it will hide because I apply the visibility property also. And if I will turn on it, is showing the red blink. So Alhamdulillah, we learn in this tutorial video how we can configure the blinking property in the WinCC OA SCADA. Thanks for watching this video.